Wide One Thermal maximizes fishable area and minimizes weight to create the perfect run and gun, one-person flip-style shelter. Because the bottom pole expands, the wide bottom design gives this shelter 14.8 square feet of fishable area in an easy flip and fish configuration with no other poles to expand. The Wide One Thermal features Eskimo IQ fabric, which is 35% warmer than a comparable non-insulated shelter. The Versa swivel seat offers a comfortable seating option that provides important ergonomic support and long-lasting comfort. This entire package weighs only 65 pounds and easily fits under the tonneau cover of a truck. Eskimo also offers a full line of travel covers, tow bars, runner kits, and accessories to customize the shelter to your needs. Don't fish in a tiny cluttered shelter. Enjoy added space and comfort and upgrade to a Wide One Thermal this season.